Hello everyone, welcome to Code Speaks. In this video, we'll see how to install PyCharm community version in our local systems. To install my PyCharm community version in your local systems, just go to your web browser. In this case, I am using Google Chrome. Just type for PyCharm download. Just click on enter. Just click on first link. That link was given by JetBrains. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you will direct it into JetBrains official website. Here it is a community node. It is a professional version of my PyCharm. So just go to download section over here. This one. Go to download section. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you will get PyCharm professional version. Professional version is nothing but it is a full version of PyCharm that more efficiency will be present in this field or in this IDE. We want just an community version which is useful for practice and developing some apps not to the industrial standards, but it's good for our practice, and we can implement some apps according to our wish, right? Just scroll downwards, you will find Python community version over. Just click on downloads. You will see that the downloads have been started. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After completion of downloads, let's install PyCharm community in our local systems. Till that, we will wait for a few minutes, right? See here, you can see that. You can see that the download have been integrated. We'll wait for a few minutes. Yes, now the download have been completed. Here the Python community version have been downloaded. Just click on this folder icon, or you can double click over here. Anything is no problem. I will click on folder so that I can know that where the PyCharm have been located in my local systems. Just double click on that. Then after double clicking on that, it will ask some permissions to install the required softwares in our local systems. Just plus now you can see that the black screen have been appeared in front of you. It is just a security alert to whether to accept or install these kind of apps in your or softwares in your local systems. And just clicking, I am clicking on yes over here. Just yeah, after clicking on that, it will show that welcome to PyCharm community edition setup. Just click on next over here. After clicking on that, it is the file path where the PyCharm community version have been stored. Just click on next. Create desktop shortcut. You want to click on desktop shortcut, you can just checkbox over here. Add filer, add open folder as a project. No, I don't need. Just create association. Just click on this. Just press next over here. Just install. Click on install. It takes 2 to 3 minutes because we are first time installing my PyCharm community versions in our local systems. So all the required softwares and required community versions installers are going to be installed in your local systems. So that's the other reason it takes 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your internet speeds. So downloading internet speed is required for downloading, but installation does not require any internet speed. It's dependent upon your system configurations of how your system is configured. That's the reason the PyCharm can be installed in your local systems. Let's wait for another few minutes. It's have been 90% have been complete or going to installs in our local systems. Yes, completely PyCharm community version have been set up. Just click on finish over here. After finishing over here, just go back to your local systems screen print, just refresh once and search for PyCharm over here. PyCharm, then click on open. Now we can see that the just configure or install settings over here. Just okay, no problem. Do not import settings. Okay, just click on that. Now we can see that PyCharm have been integrated in your systems. This is the theme of a PyCharm in your local systems. This is a new project over here. You can click on over here. You can what do you say, rename your project as Python code peaks. Just I am choosing Anaconda environment over here. You can choose Python versions over here. 3.11 is the latest version of PyCharm over here. Anaconda extensible, this is the extensible of my PyCharm interpreter, make available to all projects. No, I will choose different interpreter for different locations. Just click on create. If you don't have Anaconda prompt in your here, you can go with a virtual environment over here. I have Anaconda prompt in my local systems, so that's the reason I'm going with Anaconda prompt over here. In next video we'll see how to install Anaconda prompt in your local systems. Just click on create over here. Then it takes 2 to 3 minutes to create new projects environment in your local systems. Creating Conda environment over here. Conda environment is nothing but it is an official software of Python, so that it acts as an interpreter in our local systems in Python, which helps to Python to run the programs depend upon the Conda environment. Conda is nothing but Anaconda. That is a software which helps PyCharm to execute all types of activities. In next video we'll see how to install Conda environment in your local systems. Now we can go with virtual environment. No, either both of them are suitable, but Conda environment is more effective and efficient to perform all data analytics and business analytics, and some different complex problems and mathematical problems, so that the Conda environment is required. See, this is the interface that PyCharm have been allocated. We see that the PyCharm interpreter have been installing right now. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. First we are installing for our first time. That's the reason it takes 2 to 3 minutes. After installing of PyCharm, when you are able to create new project, it is easy to run. Whenever you are creating the new project, the same amount of time will be taken to create the new environment, right? Updating Python interpreters, right? Let's wait for few minutes. This is the PyCharm. Here we can see that this is the project name which I have been given. You can name your own projects, no problem. I think it takes more than 2 to 3 minutes to installing the interpreter. The interpreter is successfully installing our local systems. Yes, reading packages. Now you can see that the Python 3.11 and Conda, this is my project name. This is my interpreter, right? Now we will perform some basic function over here. Just click on file, just click on this icon over here, click on new. I want a file regarding PyCharm to perform an activity, so click on file or you can click on py file, anything is fine. I will click on file, then it will open a new file. I am naming it as an code speaks and when you are creating a new file over here, you have to create an extension for that new file. I am creating code speaks as an my file name and giving a dot, and I want this file to act as an Python programming. To act this file as a Python programming, I am giving py as an extension. Py means Python. Now the file will be acting as an Python file. Just click on enter over here. You will find that code speaks.py file have been activated. Now just we will perform print operation over here. Print hello code speaks. Just right click with your mouse and just run the code. Run code speaks over here, or you can run the program over here. In any either the way of these two ways, you can follow any one way. Just I will perform like this, or you can perform like this, or you can click on this. Anyway, now the interpreter have been opened. See, hello PyCharm have been created because we are running the main function. This is the main file over here, so it is running this programming. So I want to run code speaks.py. So I will choose, just click on this one and click on current file over here. Now the current file is changes to debugging. Run code speaks over here. See, hello code speaks have been executed over here, and code speaks have been executed, right? In this way we can install PyCharm community in your local systems, and you can create new environment and perform different kind of programming in this IDE. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.